surf racing, and I mean in the surf, the crashing surf, not on the beach. Surf racing is still the most challenging, the most impressive level of athleticism that you'll see in personal watercraft, especially stand-ups. And the skill level it takes to be competitive in surf is unmatched. I mean, it really is unmatched. And I grew up watching, Jeff Jacobs and Victor Sheldon and Chris Fischetti out in the surf. And these guys, the speeds they're going, the technicality of it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.